What was that? Hashtag what?
Clown lives matter.
Okay, yeah, tell yourself whatever you need to wake up in the morning, okay? Diva clown, yes, queen.
You can never afford my hairstyle.
Where are you gonna put that moss, Delana?
Up your butt. Going to get some hot chocolate. I'm so sorry I look scary right now.
Crazy good coffee! You are a cool kid.
I wish that I could be like the cool kids.
Cade, scream like a little girl.
Hi.
What are we doing?
I'm not done yet because it's not 5 o'clock in the morning. We're going to get some hairspray for my hair because we're never prepared.
We're teaching Delana how to walk like a man instead of like a woman. Wait, show me your man walk. Yeah, there you go, the man walk. Round 2 at racetrack. C is beauty, C is grace. What character are you?
La Llorona.
Would you like to try that again?
Yeah. La Llorona.
What was that?
La Llorona. Oh, my mom's proud of me. Yes. Yeah. Not my mom. My parents are leaving in the morning.
I mean, Halloween time.
Trick or treat.
Basic clown for a girl. Look how sexy it is. Sexy clown. Guys, this is the best Halloween costume for all of your ABC Halloween parties. Anything but clothes.
For all ages.
For all ages involved. Look at that. Look at that underwear.
You jealous? You hit me with lightning!
When I hit the ground. Oh.
It's not an easy life as the bleaching woman. All I do is weep.
When the moon hits your eye like a big pizza pie, that's amore. When the world seems to shine like you've had too much wine, that's amore. Bells will ring, ting-a-ling-a-ling.
I have nothing left in me. Are we done?
I mean, I don't think we're done. Oh, there's a few more shots I need to get.
Why? We're done.